This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to my next Locksport Bundle Giveaway. This is the giveaway for April 22nd, 2023. The drawing will be held on May 6th, 2023 by 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I thought I would do something a little bit different for this giveaway to hopefully have some fun. So I'll go into what you need to do in a moment. First, I want to go through what this giveaway will include. It will include 2 of the custom Locksport T-shirts. They can be any size from large to 3XL. You can select 2 different sizes if you intend to give away one of the shirts. All the T-shirts come in black and the lettering is done in white vinyl. Instructions will be provided for proper washing care in order to get maximum life out of the shirts. I'm also giving away this purple trade safe lotto lock. So that's included in this giveaway. And there's 2 3D printed pinning trays. One for a flat file or a flat pinning tray used for gutting. And then this other storage pinning tray. It has a sliding lid. You can store pins in that, for example, if you happen to be progressive pinning a lock, and it closes up nicely and it does stay shut. So nice little pinning tray storage thing there. This also includes all 5 of my poker chips. So when it comes to locks, I'm a bit picky. Pick your weapon. Why pick locks? Because keys are boring. Lock picking keeps me sane. And challenge lock inspector. So with that, you'll get all 5 of these chips, 3 of the circle stickers and 3 of the shiny stickers. So to enter this giveaway, you must successfully single pin pick any lock on video and post it to your YouTube account or channel. While picking the lock, you must explain why you chose that lock to pick. Somewhere within the video, for its entirety, you need to have a card or a piece of paper that simply has the hashtag uppercase T, uppercase L, uppercase P, 1969, uppercase G, giveaway. So have this somewhere in the video, visible the entire time. And also when posting your video, make sure to include the hashtag in your title of your video after whatever you decide to call your video. So, one final note, I strongly suggest making sure that your videos are published and done by May 5th to ensure that they show up with the hashtag to get counted in the giveaway. So, I look forward to seeing the videos. Good luck to everybody. I'm hoping this will be fun. And as always, if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on this video. And thank you for watching, and hopefully thank you for participating.